There's a sign here. It says no skating allowed.
Okay, I'll just leave. It's this stupid sign.
Wait a minute. See the sign? It says no skating at all.
Okay, I'll go. Not today.